Creating a delicious and healthy banana bread requires just a handful of ingredients, making it an accessible treat for everyone. At the forefront is the star ingredient, ripe bananas. The ideal bananas for this recipe are those that are predominantly yellow, adorned with numerous brown spots. These spots indicate that the bananas are perfectly sweet and ready to be mashed into a smooth puree, imparting natural sweetness and moisture to the bread. Next, we need large eggs, which play a crucial role in binding the ingredients together and providing structure. Eggs contribute to the bread's fluffy texture and rich flavor, making them an essential addition to this simple recipe. Lastly, we incorporate a pale flour to complete our ingredient list. This helps give the bread its structure while allowing the delightful banana flavor to shine through. With just these 4 ingredients, plus some water to adjust the consistency as needed, you can whip up a nutritious banana bread that's not only easy to make but also packed with wholesome goodness. Whether enjoyed for breakfast, a snack, or dessert, this banana bread is sure to please everyone. Ingredients. Ingredients, plus water, are needed to make this healthy banana bread. Ripe bananas yellow with many brown spots, large eggs, paleo baking flour. I like Bob's Red Mill paleo baking flour, which is made from almond flour, arrowroot starch, coconut flour and tapioca flour. Baking powder. Banana bread is typically baked at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. The bread is also done when the top springs back when touched. Enjoy!